Hello student, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the MCQs of specifically remainder theorem from lesson 8, remainder and factor theorem. Before starting the video, let us clear the confusion of marks whether the SEM 1 and 2 will be of 40 or 80 marks. So according to my knowledge it is of 40 marks and doesn't matter for if it is 80 marks also. I have come across so many videos that once they say it will be for 40 marks and the next video they post it for 80 marks, then again they say it for 40 marks. So I would like to tell you all that just chill. As you know, the syllabus that is going to come in SEM 1, you know the mode of the exam in SEM 1 is online, so that has not been changed. So why to worry for the marks, whether it is for 80 or 40, it doesn't matter. Just concentrate on your study, prepare well, be confident and go for it. As Sir Abdul Kalam once said to a child that to achieve success, you must have a dream, you must continuously acquire knowledge, do hard work and perseverance, and one should not be afraid of problems, then you can achieve success. So don't create a havoc and free your mind from the turmoil. So all the best to all of you. Now let us start with the MCQs on the remainder theorem. The first one here is, using remainder theorem, find the remainder when x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 is divided by x minus 1. So x minus 1 is a factor of this px or fx. So x minus 1 equal to 0. So value of x becomes 1. So f1 is the remainder here. So write the given equation here and substitute value of x as 1. So you get the remainder as f1 equal to 0. So 0 is the correct option. Option 4 is the correct option in this case. Second one is, px is a polynomial in x and a is a real number. If x minus a is a factor of px, then pa must be. So this x minus a is a factor of px, as 4 is a factor of 12, therefore the remainder becomes 0. So the pa is the remainder here, so it is 0. Question 3. Find p 1 by 3 for pt equal to t square minus t plus 2. So in place of t you have to substitute 1 by 3 here in this equation. So if you substitute 1 by 3, you get the answer for p 1 by 3 as 14 by 9. So option 4 is the correct option. Question number 4 here, if x square plus 9x plus 5 is divided by x, then remainder is. Now here only x has been given, so x means x plus 0 equal to 0, so value of x is 0. So the remainder is f0 you have to find. So in place of x now substitute 0 and you get the value of the remainder f0 as 5. So option 4 is the correct option. Question 5. What is the remainder r when the polynomial px is divided by x minus 5? So x minus 5 is the factor here, so x minus 5 is equal to 0, so x is 5. Therefore p5 you have to find, that is the remainder. So px equal to, write the equation and substitute x equal to 5 in the given equation. So you get the value as 0 here. So option 1 is the correct option. So 0 is the remainder. If py equal to 2y raised to 4 minus 3y cube plus 4y square minus 7, find p3. So p3 is the remainder here. So p3 equal to, substitute y equal to 3 in the given equation. So it comes out to be 110. So option 1 is the correct option. Question 7. In division of a cubic polynomial px by a linear polynomial, the remainder is p minus 2. So the divisor must be. Now here the remainder has been given as p minus 2. You have to find the divisor here. So p minus 2 means x equal to minus 2. So when x is minus 2, you take the number on this side, so it will become x plus 2 equal to 0. That means the divisor is x plus 2. So option 2 is the correct option. If x square minus 7x plus a has a remainder 1, when divided by x plus 1, then, so what is the value of a here? So x plus 1 is the divisor here, equal to 0, so value of x becomes minus 1, so the remainder is f minus 1, its value has been given as 1, the remainder is 1 here. So write the equation, substitute x as minus 1 here, so you get the value of a as 7. After solving and substituting all the values of x and the remainder is 1 and value of x is minus 1, so you get the value of a as minus 7. So option 1 is the correct option. Question 9. The remainder when x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 7 is divided by x plus 1 is. So here you have to find the remainder. This is the divisor equated with 0. You get the value of x here. So you have to find the remainder, that is f minus 1. So substitute x equal to minus 1 in the given equation. So you get f minus 1 as minus 14. So minus 14 is the correct option. Question 10 here is, using remainder theorem, find the remainder when this equation or this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. So f1 is the remainder here. So substitute x equal to 1 in the given equation, and here you get the remainder f1 as minus 5. So minus 5 is the remainder here. So these were some of the MCQs based on the remainder theorem. So for factor theorem I will be making another video. Now in this case, if you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.